Hello everyone, this is Unit 4, Formative 2, Day 2. We're multiplying by a monomial. Remember, a monomial means single or one. So this is one term, we're multiplied by multiple terms. A couple things you need to remember. If we are multiplying x's, okay, you're going to take the 4 times the 7 and you get 28. Now x times x, remember, multiplication, we add exponents, so this is x squared. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so the first one, okay, we have 8p, and that's being multiplied by the trinomial negative 3p squared plus 6p minus 2. So I'm going to distribute. Okay, so I have 8p times negative 3p squared. So 8 times negative 3 is negative 24. Now remember, you have 1p here, and you're multiplying it by p squared. That's p to the third. Okay, add your exponents. You have 8p times 6p. 8 times 6 is 48. And p times p is p squared. Then you have 8 times negative 2, which is negative 16, and p. Right? So it's just like the distributive property. You just got to remember to add your exponents on variables. Alright, so we have this one. So we have negative 5x squared times 3x. So negative 5 times 3 is negative 15. And x squared times x is x to the third. Then we have negative 5x squared times 9. So negative 5 times 9 is negative 45. And we just have x squared. Now we have a fourth, x times 8x. So just remember that whenever we have a denominator, a fourth of 8 is the same thing as saying 8 divided by 4. Okay. Alright, and a fourth of 8 is 2, and then we have x squared. Alright, and then we have 16, so that's like 16 divided by 4, which is 4. And don't forget the x. Okay, even though this doesn't have an x here, you still need to carry it over. So we have 2x squared minus 4x. Okay, here's one. This one's a little longer. Same thing, just distribute. So 6 times 5 is 30. Right, then we have the x to the third times x to the second gives you x to the fifth. And then y, don't forget that's a 1. Y to the fifth. Then we're going to take it by the middle term. 6 times negative 2 is negative 12. And we have x to the third and x to the second, which is x to the fifth. Y to the fourth times y to the third is y to the seventh. Okay, now we have 6 times y squared. Now remember there's a 1 there, so 6 times 1 is 6. And then we have x to the third, and then y to the fourth, and this y to the second, which is y to the sixth. There's your answer. Okay, this one, okay, we have b times 5b plus 1, and then outside we have 9b. So always do order of operations, so we're going to multiply first. So b times 5b is 5b squared, and then b times 1 is b. We're bringing down my 9b. Then combine like terms. You can see how you have two b's? You can add those, so you have to. So 5b squared plus 10b. Alright, last one. Distribute. This one is 2, so we're going to have to distribute and combine. So this is 6t squared. 2t to negative 8t. Okay, that gets rid of that one. So now we need to distribute the 4. So this is 20t to the second plus 8t minus 24. So we always start with our highest exponent. So we have 6t plus 6t squared plus 20t squared is 26t squared. Negative 8t plus 8t is 0. And we're left with minus 24. Okay, that's it. That's multiplying by a monomial. Sorry. Have a great day, guys.